What's going on YouTube? This is BXBomber718 back at you with another PC video. And this time we have the Asus TUF A17 2021 model. It is the TUF706QE model that we're working with here, right? I got this from Micro Center. It was on sale for $999.99. It was part of their Platinum Collection line of computers, and I purchased this about a month ago, back in early November. All right, so I'm gonna run down some of the specs for you guys, and then we're gonna talk about some of the accessories and upgrades that we got going on here. All right, so this here has the Windows 10 Home OS system. This also has the AMD Ryzen 7 5800H mobile processor with 8 cores, 16 threads, 20 megabytes of cache, and a turbo boost of 4.4 gigahertz. This also has the Nvidia GeForce RTX 3050 Ti GPU that goes up to 1585 megahertz at 60 watts, but it can also turbo boost to 75 watts. So it has a TGP envelope of up to 75 watts with the turbo boost. And it has 4 gigabytes of GB DDR4 VRAM. The display is a 17.3 inch Full HD 1080p 16:9 anti-glare display with the sRGB color gamut of 62.5% and Adobe of 47.34%, 144 Hz refresh rate, and it's an IPS level display with Optimus. It has 16 gigabytes of DDR4 3200 megahertz RAM. It has a 512 gigabyte M.2 NVMe PCIe 3.0 SSD for storage. And this model comes with the 48 watt hour 3-cell lithium ion battery. Okay, there's also 180 watt AC adapter, and it weighs 5.73 pounds. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox this thing. As you can see on the front is the symbol for TUF. Over here is the TUF Gaming Laptop A17. Over there to your bottom right is the TUF Gaming symbol where it says TUF Gaming. At the top it says Asus. As you can see, you have your standard cardboard box with some black effects and wording on it. Okay. All right. One thing I do appreciate is that at the top there is a handle, which I thought was pretty neat. And here is the tape that has been broken, by the way. This is why it's tough, right? On this side, you see some more advertisement for the Asus TUF. Right. Let's move around on this side. On this side, we have some of the barcode information, and then it shows you the pricing, which was $1149.99, and I got it for $150 off. Okay. At the bottom is just some more your barcodes and your recycling. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and open it up. Let's put it here. You're gonna see what this looks like. All right. So as we open it up, we are presented with some TUF stickers. Okay. And I like how this slides back. This is pretty neat how they did the box. And then you're presented with the device, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and put our finger in here, lift this device out, put it aside for a second. And as we peer in, we have the TUF. This is our TUF user guide. We have a warranty card, okay? And we have this accidental drop protection. This is a service that they offer. I'll show us so you can see it. All right. Let's just see the other ones up close. Okay. This is the user guide up close. All right. Okay, and that's those pieces there. I'm gonna set that aside. All right, so we're gonna open up this, and there is, okay, So as you can see, I did open this up previously, but this goes onto the AC adapter. We're gonna take a look at that in 1 second. All right, I'm gonna fold this up and put it back in there. Okay. We're gonna open up this side here. And here we're presented with the AC adapter. I'll give you a look so you can see what the graphics look like on it. You can see the 180 W on it, and then there's like these micro perforations in it, which I think is pretty neat. It's a nice little attention to detail, make it stand out. All right, on this side you have the Asus brand on it. Okay, and you can see here it is physically attached. This cord is physically attached to the AC adapter. Okay, and this is where you plug in the cord, power cord. All right, so I'm gonna put that aside. Close that up. All right, on this side here, we're presented with your power cord. All right, I love the rubbery texture to it, and it has a Velcro cable tie, which is pretty neat. Okay. All right, let's put those two things aside. Let's close this box. Let's push it back here. And we're gonna put the laptop on top. There it is. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, let's lift it up. All right, so this is the TUF. You can see TUF there on the right side. At the top it says TUF Gaming, which is a nice little feature right there. Okay, and down here is the ultimate force of the TUF logo. All right, switch it this way as well so you can see it. Okay. All right, so on the back we have two vents with some heat sinks behind it. Okay, so let's take a look in the front. There is nothing here on the front. All right, on the right side, we have one USB Type A port, and we have a vent and a Kensington lock, okay? On this side, we have power. We have our gigabit Ethernet port, our HDMI port, two USB Type A ports, one USB Type C port, and a combo jack for a headphone and microphone, okay? All right, so I do like this cover. It feels like it's metal. It feels cold, like it's real metal. These screws that's here in the corners makes it look very militaristic. These screws here in the corners, as you can see, makes it feel very militaristic, which I like. The rest of it seems to be plastic. Now you have the honeycomb venting here on the back with two hazard designs, which I thought was pretty cool. You do have a speaker grill here and another speaker grill here, but there are side cutouts as well. So you have two bottom cutouts and two side cutouts as well. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna keep my stuff. So you have two speaker cutouts, one right there and one on this side, and there are also two on the side of the laptop as well. I'm covering up all the sensitive information here, but this is what the bottom panel looks like with the honeycomb, and some of them are slitted so that air can flow. Some of them are not. Why they did not slit everything, I have no clue, but this is a decision they made. We're gonna do some testing with it to see if it gets sufficient enough airflow in it so we can keep our components cool, right? We also have rubber feet, 4 rubber feet on here as well. All right, and this here is our Asus TUF. So far, first impressions, I think it's pretty neat. Again, I like this cover. It makes it look very durable, very militaristic. And the bottom side, I like the hexagon honeycomb, excuse me, the honeycomb design. And then if you look very closely, even closer, you can see that extra design that goes there that kind of complements the perforation that you get in the power brick right here, which for 180 watts is pretty light. It's very slim. You know, nice size. You know, I'm not carrying a whole full-on brick with me when I'm traveling. I think that's cool, all right? So that there is one of my many laptops in my 2021 laptop collection. I'll be highlighting other ones in future videos. But now we're going to move on to the accessories, and then from there, we're going to take a look at the upgrades. Thank you for watching.